Welcome to the QuickBooks Tax Software Review Usage Experience. Links to the product are provided in the description for your convenience. QuickBooks, developed by Intuit, is a well-known tax and accounting software designed for small businesses, freelancers, and accountants. It offers an intuitive interface, robust tax management tools, and seamless integrations to simplify tax preparation and overall financial management. Whether you're managing a small business or filing personal taxes with complex deductions, QuickBooks provides a versatile solution tailored to various needs. QuickBooks excels in automating tax calculations by integrating them directly into your financial data. The software automatically tracks income, expenses, and deductions, ensuring your tax liability is calculated accurately. For small businesses, it provides features like sales tax tracking and payroll tax management, allowing you to handle both federal and state tax requirements with ease. Additionally, QuickBooks includes tax preparation tools that help you organize and categorize expenses for maximum deductions, making filing faster and more efficient. One of QuickBooks' key advantages is its integration with TurboTax, another Intuit product, which allows you to seamlessly transfer your data for filing. This feature is especially beneficial for small business owners and self-employed individuals who need to file Schedule C forms. For those managing employees, QuickBooks payroll integration ensures that payroll taxes are calculated, tracked, and filed automatically, saving time and reducing the risk of errors. QuickBooks also offers powerful reporting capabilities. Its tax reports provide detailed insights into your financials, helping you prepare for audits or plan ahead for quarterly tax payments. Additionally, its cloud-based functionality allows you to access your data anytime, anywhere, making collaboration with accountants and bookkeepers more efficient. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, QuickBooks is accessible for beginners while still offering advanced features for experienced users. Its step-by-step guidance, extensive support resources, and availability of live experts make it easy to navigate, even for those with minimal accounting knowledge. With its comprehensive tools and scalability, QuickBooks is an excellent choice for businesses of all sizes and individuals looking for reliable tax software. Check the links in the description to explore QuickBooks further or start your free trial today.